It was slow progress. 35-degree temperatures in the peak of summer, with sun beating down upon us. We were delighted to come across this oasis in the fields.
We found food vending machines in the middle of nowhere. Let's go have a look.
4 kilograms of all these boxes of fruit.
Oh,
Juice?
apple and pear. Juice. And that's honey. There's ice cream.
Ice cream.
My choice is B9. Strawberry sorbet. Oh, it's rock hard. We're gonna let that melt a little bit, I think. They have cold and hot.
Let's order pizza. Cold pizza.
Cook at home and relax, or enjoy right away.
Interesting. And that just comes out here?
I guess so.
We did not order €11.50 pizza. Instead, we opted for a more cost-effective option. We found a little, so we're getting supplies. Could be another wild night. We're nearly at Dieppe. Probably get there tomorrow, and then we'll catch a ferry to England.
Yeah, man, we're going to England. France is almost over. It's been real good.
England, here we come. Might be a nice wild camping for tonight. We're just going to sit here and have some dinner. And we're about 10 k's away from Dieppe, where we catch the ferry. And we might camp here tonight in this field. And then pick up the trail again tomorrow. After we ate dinner, we settled into one of the most picturesque camping spots of our whole trip. Even though it took 5 hours waiting for the sun to set, it was worth it. We were even joined, briefly, by an inquisitive cow. The breeze blowing in off the coast had turned icy cold, and even in July, we wore our winter clothes. Once it got dark, it was time to put up the tent and get some much needed rest. We're here at the Decathlon in Dieppe, and we're going to catch our ferry out of town tonight to the UK. I've just changed the tyre and tube on the front of my bike. I figure that parts and stuff at Decathlon are going to be cheaper here in the EU than in UK. So we're doing all of our last minute things here in France, and then all we got to do is get downtown and catch our ferry. There's one thing I like about France though, is these shortcuts. They're everywhere. Just gotta get creative with your navigation, guys. Suddenly I'm on pavement again. Hey, look, a road. the end of our France journey, and a very nice time here. Extremely hot.
She's been a scorcher.
Some great riding.
Great food.
And just really authentic experience.
Couldn't have been more French.
Yep.
So let's top it off with a French beer. Cheers.
Cheers to France.
Cheers.
And
Vive la France. Oh.
holy. The time had come to leave France, leaving behind all the spectacular scenic riding, delicious food, and industrial heritage, to embark on another folding bike adventure in England. It was one last spectacular sunset before we boarded our ship and set sail across the English Channel to Old Blighty.
That border.
Well, we've made it into no man's land, I think.
Oh, yeah.
That would be easy.
What do you call it? It's not airside. Boat side?
Maybe.
Just trying to get a nap on the boat. It's bedtime. Good night.
Welcome to New Haven, England. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're heading up to a lookout spot so we can watch the sun rise. Have arrived. Massive shout out to Tom Grant for your donation on the super thanks. Your support really helps us to keep making these videos. Thanks to all the viewers for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.